how to add threads badge on Instagram. So here on your Instagram application, if you go here, go to your profile, you will see this badge here. It's actually the thread logo there and then numbers. That's actually how you can see your badge. Now, if you tap on that, on the bottom part, you will see hide badge there. Now, if you tap on hide badge, as you can see, are you sure you can't add it back to your profile once you remove it? So if you, let's say you've removed the badge and now you want to add it back again. So what you can do is on the upper right, you will see three dash lines there. Tap on that and tap on settings. Now here on settings, what I want you to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see help. Now here, report a problem, then report a problem without shaking, include and continue, and then badge back here and tap on set on the upper right. Now here, you just have to wait for the Instagram community to get back to you and fix your problem. So as I have said, there is no option where you can just put back your badge and then remove it. So you have to report a problem and ask for the Instagram community to fix your problem. And basically, that is how you add threads badge to Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.